Okay, this is another video. This is the second round of rubber compound. I got it nice and shiny this time. I hit all the spots that I missed last time. Oh man, it looks crazy. I fixed also that spot that was in the back. I did a touch up in a blend job. So that turned out nice. So lesson learned there. Okay, you gotta pay attention to what you're doing. I finally got comfortable with the compound, well, with the polisher and buffer, knowing what speed to use and knowing how much pressure to put down on it. I finally figured that out. So again, this is the rubber compound. I have not done the polish sealant yet, so it's an ever so slight haze. It's almost not noticeable, but I know that it's there. Certain angles you can see it, but I mean, that haze is natural. It's supposed to be there until you put the polish and sealant on there, then it will get rid of it. So one more stage and it is done. So I'm impressed, I'm happy, it's turned out beautiful. I've learned from my mistakes. I've gotten a whole lot better, a whole lot more comfortable with paint, with the buffing and polishing process, a rubber compound process, a wet sanding process, blending process. All these things that or mistakes that I make teaches me to be able to adapt to any situation. From the fiberglass bodywork all the way up to the rubber compound, touch up, paint work, whatever. So I'm happy, very happy with how it's turning out. Like I said, I got to do now the polish and seal it, and it is done. It's cold out this month, man. It's like 40 degrees, and I'm out here wet sanding and polishing. I'm out here compounding it. But it's all worth it because it's all coming together. I'm gonna let this dry for a couple days. Well, no, I'm gonna just wait for it to warm up a little bit. I think it's supposed to hit like mid-50s again in about 4 or 5 days. But I did just wash it to get all that compound out of the crevices. What I like about that Wizards, it is water soluble, so water breaks it down pretty easy, so it's hard to get it out of the cracks and crevices, no problem. So I am so happy. It's beautiful, man. Oh man, there you go. All right, once it's polished, I'll take another video.